to the beach, stood by the ocean. I never sat by the sun, under the sun with my feet in the sand, but you brought me here, and I'm happy that you did. 'Cause now I'm as free as bird catching the wind.
I always thought I would sing, so I never swam. I never went bowling, don't get how they're floating. Sometimes I get so scared of what I can't understand. But here I am, next to you. The sky's more blue in Malibu. Next to you in Malibu. Next to you. We watched the sun go down as we were walking. I spent the rest of my life standing here talking.
You would explain the current as I just smile, hoping that you'll stay the same and nothing will change, and it will be us just for a while. Do we even exist? That's when I'll make the wish to swim away with the fish.
This is supposed to be this hard all summer long. I never would have believed it 3 years ago. You told me I'd be here singing this song, but here I am, next to you. The sky's more blue in Malibu. Next to you in Malibu. Next to you. So blue in Malibu. Next to you.
We are just like the wave, flow back and forth. Sometimes it feels like I'm drowning and you're there to save me, and I wanna thank you with all of my heart.